بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. كنت أعاني من آلام في مفصلي الركبتين السوافان لسنين كثيرة. وجئت إلى الهند عن طريق المترجم سمير، وقام الدكتور فايبهاف جان بإجراء العملية، وكانت العملية ناجحة، وخدمة المستشفى من الناحية الطبية والخدمات الأخرى كانت جيدة جدا، بل أكثر من جيدة جدا، ممتازة جدا. وأنا الحمد لله بصحة جيدة ومستمر بإجراء التمارين لحين استطاع المشي بدون مساعدة.
Hello, my name is Dr. Vaibhav Jain. I am consultant orthopedics in Metro Hospital, Faridabad. Today I am going to talk about a patient, Mr. Saad Abdullah. He is from Iraq. He came to me with a severe knee pain and was not able to walk properly. Her knee was bent and he has a lot of difficulty in walking. So I carefully examined him, get an X-ray, all the scans done, and after that I found that her knee was wear out almost completely. Her bones were rubbing against each other. We planned for knee surgery. We did the knee replacement surgery for him. It's a kind of knee resurfacing. And after the surgery, on the same day, just after 2-3 hours, he was able to walk comfortably without any pain. And same day he went to toilet and started walking in the corridors. All that was, he was absolutely pain free for all the day. So, and we kept him in the hospital for 2-3 days and discharged in very stable condition. He was walking independently like in a normal person without any support. The recovery is remarkable. My message to everyone is that if you have any knee problem, please don't ignore it. Come to us, we'll make you alright. Thank you.